Hello, my name is Steve Herman, and I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, The Ultimate Guide, which is my book on mediumship development, which is available on Amazon. And I'll tell you, when it comes to mediumship development, there is absolutely no magical formula. There's no any magical process. Mediumship doesn't matter who you are, how much natural, innate talent that you might have as an individual. You've come into this material world completely open to the spirit world. Doesn't matter. It still takes considerable amount of work and effort. So if you want to really gain mastery over your mediumship, what do you have to do? You have to have mastery over yourself. You have to gain mastery over your mediumship. And with mediumship, there's no shortcuts to it. Generally speaking, mediumship is a never-ending gradual process. We start on one plateau, and gradually, as we unfold our spiritual gifts, as we strengthen our connection and attunement with the world of spirit, with the helpers, the team of specialists who work with us, we become better, we become stronger, more complete channels for the spirit world to work through. And it is fantastic what can take place. There's some people, they're just very open to the spirit world. They hear spirits, they see spirits. They're so excited about working with it. So they can be in the supermarket, going through, they're going to pay for their food. The cashier's there behind the cash register, and what do? They see a deceased individual standing right behind the person at the checkout. And naturally, they have to open up and give the person a message, don't they? No, they don't. Because there's a time and a place to work with the spirit world. You turn it on and you turn it off. It's not like you're like some type of leaky faucet walking around open at all hours of the day and night. That's not what you want to do. You want to open up and have the right conditions present for them to be able to work through you. I want to encourage you with your mediumship development. I'm really into the teaching aspect, which is why I have this YouTube channel. If you like it, smack that subscription button below, subscribe, smack the like as well. If you have comments, please add them. Any questions, please feel free to get hold of me. I teach a lot of classes on mediumship, both in person and online, and I'm really into the teaching and helping others with their growth. So may God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for watching my video.